I just wanted to offer a few thoughts about adding method, issue, or community elements to the map in the future. If you're going to add any one of them, you first need to go ahead and create the element, whichever it is, and we'll call it new issue, just as a test. And once it's created, then I want to make it an issue. Now notice that there are two sets of issue, method, and community in this list, and it's because these three are created by Kumu when it does the clustering. So if you explicitly create one, you want to call it one of the ones that's in caps. So I call it issue, and I say done. And then after I do that, I want to go find an existing issue. I want to move this out here and find an existing issue, and I want to copy this part. We'll copy the the text out of here for the discussion and paste it into this one. Now, if you do this for a community, once you create the community, copy the connection to the discussion out of it, you also need to come down here and add the appropriate issues that community is working on. And the status should be updated to say that once it's all filled in, that the status is that it's profiled. Once you've created the elements, that's part one. The second part is that you have to go to the fields area, go to issues, and you have to come down here and you have to add new issue and then save it, so that in the future, when you go to an individual, any one of them, and you look at issues, new issue will show up, and they'll always be in alphabetical order because we told them to sort them. So that's the sequence that you need to go through to make sure that there isn't a disconnect between the method, issues, and communities, because they have to be added in both parts. Otherwise, the clustering won't work. You won't be able to select them in the individual profiles so that the individuals will connect to the issue, method, or community as appropriate. So just wanted to provide this. Hopefully it keeps us out of trouble in the future. Take care. Bye.